truth be told, I've been in kind of a shit mood for the past 2 hours, so I'm trying to get happy. Happy. What was that, Duck Dynasty? Those fucking rednecks.
Oh, yeah.
They're like fucking multi-millionaires and they're a bunch of fucking hillbillies.
Yeah.
If they can make it, we can make it.
So can Billy.
Oh, I'm always happy, dude.
But no money.
No money.
Shut up.
Yeah, he's broken happy. That's the best way to be, I think. Then you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so the Trans Am's back from paint.
Yep.
Thumbs up.
Yep.
We're gonna get it all put together. I'm gonna work on the interior and the wiring, getting the wiring finished up this week. Hey boys! Hey! Hey, give me like 10 minutes, boys. Use some regular ratchets or something. Manual labor. God forbid, right?
Yeah.
Efficiency when it's convenient for me.
Exactly.
That's part of being a boss.
Yep.
Okay, so today we're gonna take all the hot parts to specialty coating. They say it's gonna be a 2-week turnaround time. I know better. I'm gonna finesse that a little bit.
How long should it actually take?
Fucking 1 day.
Really?
Well, yeah, like I'm the only customer, right?
Oh.
That's how my customers act, so that's how I'm gonna act.
They're sitting around fucking clanking beers the rest of the week? Or?
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Fucking guys. Yeah, hopefully I can expedite that. If not, then I'm gonna have 2 weeks without being able to start this thing, which puts us too close to the fucking 30-day mark without this thing even running. Luckily, I know the motor's a bad bitch. Should have no issues.
Keyword should.
Should, yeah. Or shouldn't. Shouldn't have no issues.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have no issues.
Shouldn't have no issues. God damn it, motherfuckers. I got a lot of cleaning to do. Obviously, when these things go to paint jail, it's got 3 weeks of sanding dust. And they do their best they can to mask it, but, you know, it's like keeping sand out of your vagina. It doesn't all stay
I
out.
don't know if you should include that in the video.
Why not?
We should, totally should.
We're female friendly here at Jessie's Performance.
No,
okay?
the women will get it. They'll understand. They're like, God damn, I do get sand in my vagina no matter how hard I try.
You know?
Yeah, sand in your Cornwallis ain't fun for nobody. Yeah.
This is why sex on the beach does not work.
Sex on the beach is not work. Nope.
Gotta double up the KY, you know?
Even then, it turns into like fucking drilling mud.
So yeah,
Why is Billy all PG-13 all of a sudden? Like he ain't never been around before. Goddamn, bud.
we gotta stay focused, Jesse. We got 50 days until LS Fest.
Billy's so worried about getting the wastegate dumps done, showing that. So yep.
It's trick as hell, right?
Yeah. Billy fabricates some things and he's like really proud of it, so we got to show it.
Yeah.
He did a good job, no doubt. I asked him for his help. He stayed late and helped me. Big props to that. I don't know if we've shown these yet on the video. These are the custom valve covers. We got etched by Frankenstein, and then we may be totally dropping the ball on everybody here.
Going up.
All right, we're gonna take the car up and we're gonna show you the underside.
Oh yeah, we can show the exhaust. I don't think
Yeah, we've never shown the exhaust. I don't think so. So insert time lapse.
Very slow.
You want to hear a cool thing I heard the other day? That's slicker than cum on a gold tooth. God damn, huh? The things you only hear on Facebook, right? All right, so you've seen the underside of this thing before.
Bam.
Obviously, we've made some changes. We got the exhaust done, full 3-inch stainless, all TIG welded. We got nice bellows on there.
These are the mounts that Jesse
Yep,
had
the
to
mounts I
move.
redid. It's all done, welded, powder coated, motors back in it. It's got a fucking starter, boys. Believe it.
And then these are custom.
Yep, custom made the cross members. We got these ballin' ass stainless works fucking exhaust hangers.
Yeah, those are nice.
Yeah, all super duper TIG welded. All the way back, I got these MagnaFlow, hopefully quiet enough mufflers. I want this thing to be quiet. We decided to go under the axle, given the fact that this motherfucker is low. Oh, look at Billy. He's gonna be the temporary exhaust holder for this side.
Boom.
But yeah, you can see it. It turned out pretty good. You know, even if Billy's not holding it perfectly straight, you get the idea. We got to rebleed the brakes. We got to rebleed the clutch. What else? We got to do so much. Finish the wiring. We got.
Yeah, wiring is gonna be the biggest hurdle.
Gabe was trying to fist it. Do it.
Yeah, it doesn't pass the fist test.
That's
I can
good.
get sneak 3 fingers. We'll try 4.
If you can't fit 3 fingers in that, like you got some.
You got some fingers, bro. You got some fucking
Did
fingers.
you show you a custom?
Billy's so worried about everything custom, showing custom. Like
Oh, I wouldn't say this is.
no secrets.
But it's super fancy.
Me being a sneaky sneakster, I like to have my coils hidden, especially with those ballin' ass valve covers. So what we have done is we've made these mounts that bolt to the oil pan, and we're gonna weld these, and they're gonna be right there.
It'll be a little different.
It's way out of the heat. It takes short wires, so we won't get a bunch of resistance in the wire. Because we need all the sparks powers.
The Spurs.
And the wiring is going to be all super stealthy, so.
Yeah.
Definitely
We already have the
unconventional.
extension down here.
Unconventional.
Right there.
Is there any car manufacturer that doesn't like that?
No.
They always put them.
No, I know a lot of swap companies that don't do it like that. They just put them right back up on the valve covers, and you know, we're not all created equal. That's why Jesse's performance is Jesse's performance. We don't think outside the box. We fucking explode the box.
We rebuild the box.
Dynamite.
We tear that box up. Billy gets embarrassed when I talk about box.
No, I was talking about game. Turn to an octagon.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense either. I don't know what servo AF is on your camera.
Servo as fuck.
Yeah, but why? Why is it servo as fuck? I got Gabe looking like he just rolled out of bed and put this fucking Slick Rick jacket on.
Slicker jacket.
Showed up at Jesse's performance.
Fancy leather.
Yeah, I threw it in the dryer and it kind of shrunk a little bit.
Oh, that's what I was.
Oh yeah, the baby gap.
Baby gap.
It's all
Shopping.
good.
Alright. Alright, let's do an outro. Little does everyone know, but Sunday when we were drifting, Billy was waiting to get a ride along with me. In the drift car, he had his helmet on. He was Tindering. He was swiping, folks. Isn't that shit just unreal? Like, come on, man, give it a break.
I heard you were using Tinder.
March 1st, guys.
No, Billy was
Guy.
Tinder. Billy was Tinder swiping in the drift line.
Wait, what are you talking about? Hold on. Don't put that on video. No, you can't put that on the video. Fuck you.
Hey, it could be worse. It could be Grinder.
Yeah. I'd rather Tinder.
What is Grinder?
Tell him, Billy.
It's like Tinder, but for like butt fucking.
Male butt fucking.
Oh, so. I was like, okay, well, like, I didn't know they had a dating site just for that preference. Hey,
I need to get on
there.
I'm a man of simple pleasures.
What?
Like cussing.
you take pleasures in cursing?
Yeah, I love cussing.
Do you?
Yeah.
I don't even notice it.
It's my favorite thing.
Well, some of us try to curse, and some of us just. It's all I know.
Yeah,
it's my
yeah, it just
vocabulary.
comes out,
I grew
but
up in a trailer
it
park,
makes me
okay,
feel
people?
better.
I grew up in a trailer
That's how I
park.
meant.
And you curse like a sailor.
I didn't live in a trailer park, but I lived in a trailer.
No.
2 trailers, 3 trailers.
Not in a trailer park.
No, but there were trailers around us. But it
Because if
wasn't-
you
it
lived
wasn't
in a
like
trailer
big
park, you'd know not to lean on another man's armrest. Unless you're trying to take a Grinder picture.
This is the longest outro I think.
For real, we're going on 4
I know,
minutes.
because Billy just keeps fucking totally like I get on his track and then Billy's like, squirrel, and I'm like, squirrel with
like,
it.
comment, and subscribe under the video, guys.
Yep.
This is Jesse's performance, and we're out.
Finally, some peace and quiet.
Making their way the only way they know how.
Is that?
What are you doing? No, Gabe. This angle.
You gotta look down. You gotta get this straight.
Down the. Okay, give me the fucking camera, Gabe. Oh, see that? Look, you see Jesse clear as day. Oh, okay.